Just pulled up on a reef. We've been barra fishing this morning. We've come out the wide blue yonder. First drop, Jason's hooked a cobia. What was that on, mate?
That was on a Berkeley jerk shad. Actually, that was a nemesis bait, that, on a 1 ounce TT jig head.
Look at that for a beautiful.
Make it to the bottom, that fish.
What a beautiful fish. Wow. Cobia, also known as black kingfish, also known as crab eaters. Guess why they're called crab eaters. Great fighting fish, good to eat. And you'll find when you get them close to the boat, they thrash like mad. Ready to land him there, Jace?
This guy's a little bit green still, mate.
What did we catch over here, anything? Tomato cod. I'll go for the cobia. Such a diverse fishery here at the Arnhemland Barramundi Nature Lodge. Obviously with the name Barramundi, that's our speciality. Lots of barra, lots of systems to fish for barra exclusively. But it's at times world-class blue water as well. Huge mackerel schools, pelagics. We're on over here, Warren. As you can see, double hook up here.
At least you haven't got what I got, mate. That might be a goldie. It's a goldie or something. Looks like a goldie.
You got it on the bottom?
Yep.
Move over, mate. Move over.
Trevor or something. Oh no, goldie.
Lovely golden snapper.
Here we go.
Is that cobia?
Good work. Thanks, brother.
Good stuff, Warren.
Oh, very good fun. Excellent. Good fun.
Yeah, he's 18 plus kilos.
Swing him over. Look at this for a fish. What a beautiful fish.
Bloody hell.
Rightio, let's have a look here. There we go, nice, beautiful black kingfish or cobia. These things fight really, really hard. They love eating plastics. They'll feed off the top, they'll feed off the bottom. But I tell you what, they give you a hell of a hard time, but they're great to catch. And actually, they're really good eating fish as well. So, plenty of these at the Arnhemland Barra Lodge. You can have fun on these things all day. They're painted up on the sounder. There's a lot of fish down there. This was first drop. Best part of 15 minutes to land. Fairly painful fish to catch, but an awesome capture.
Nice Spanish mackerel here for Dewey, aka Jay. Now, this Spanish mackerel is typical of the ones we get up here. We get them a lot bigger, but they school in huge numbers, particularly during the dry season. And lovely fish. We're going to take this one back, good to eat. And in the space of 15-20 minutes we've caught 4 species of fish, 3 of which we've been able to show you. One was a coral trout which we released, probably not big enough, and everyone's getting into them. Jason's been fighting this fish for a while now, saw a bit of surface commotion. What'd you throw at it, Jason?
I still have my bottom rig on, so I threw a gulp at it. I threw a gulp at a big bait school and it dropped about 2 seconds and then just got annihilated, so big GT on here. Coming up. It's a proper GT. Oh, yeah. Get a bit of a look here in a minute, Alex. Starting to come back up again.
He ain't done with you yet, man.
No, he's just about done, Dewey. There he is. Just keep his head up.
You need the net, eh?
The net or bogus?
Net.
Take your time, mate. Take your time. Take your time.
Well done, mate. Oh,
What a fish. What a fish on a nice light outfit. Millerod toad, CF and a Stella 5000. That's awesome.
there's a GT. Now, don't get the wrong impression here, he's not going to be used for crab bait. What a ripper fish, eh?
Beautiful fish. Geez, that give me some curry, I tell you, but great fight. Nice light rod and reel outfit.
Yeah, we get the occasional big one up here, as I was saying. It's not known for monster GTs, but the odd one pops up.
Yeah, no, happy with
That's a
that.
beauty.
Alright, here she goes. Oh, powered off.
Well done.
Thanks, Alex, that was awesome.